Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one, although, not to state the obvious, but to set up some context here, a nice bounce. I mean, when you stop thinking about the fact that at one point things were all the way down here, then all of a sudden the price turned around and closed all the way up there. Now, yes, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but my point here is that, relatively speaking, from where it was at its lows to where it moved up to, good solid bounce, but that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? $7.45. Now, why is that level important and helpful? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to $7.45, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of genuine power, true strength, or anything like that. But I mean, to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price does come down here, difference being behaves in that manner, and then start to curl back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 745. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, main battleground by far going forward going to be right there at $7.90, which is actually right where the price got rejected from on the opening attempted bounce this morning. So keep an eye on 790 moving forward, as that'll be definitely a very important level to watch. But all in all, nice little bounce here. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.